Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Resident Evil Requiem game crashes startup, not launching or won't launch issue, launching failed problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So without wasting time, let's jump to the fixes. First fix, simply restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PlayStation and then launch the game and check. Fix 2, log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, others, sign out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then you can launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 3, switch internet connection. So first of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, you can also connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. You can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then launch the game and check. Fix 4, switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection, press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5, rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sounds and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. And then you can go ahead launch the Resident Evil Requiem game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6, restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to others and then go to restore license. Select Resident Evil Requiem game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 7, disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time enable HDCP and then check. Fix 8, delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, you must backup the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings. Select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage delete. Now select Resident Evil Requiem game and then select delete OK. Now restart your console and then try again. Fix 9, change DNS settings manually. Go to PlayStation settings, network settings, set up internet connections. On your internet, press start, advanced settings, DNS settings. Change DNS settings from automatic to manual. Now in the primary DNS enter 8.8.8.8 and in secondary DNS enter 8.8.4.4 and then hit OK. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then hit OK. Now again relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So simply uninstall Resident Evil Requiem game from your PS5 and then just restart your PS5 console and then fresh reinstall the game and then check. If that doesn't work, then if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Resident Evil Requiem game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Resident Evil Requiem game crashes startup, not launching or won't launch issue, launching failed problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.